Hi, I'm Scott Rashton with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our Mastercraft 2020 X24. This Mastercraft, as you can see, has the Kahuna blue with the gorgeous silver metal flake on the outside. And coming around here, and then we have the white deck with Kahuna blue on the back. Gives it a nice contour color there. Come on up into the boat. I'll tell you through all the wonderful things about this Mastercraft X24. Stepping right on the back, we got the nice sea deck to swim deck. Coming right on here, the Mastercraft X24 features these great, awesome rear seats that you can flip up for a nice backrest. Really comfortable to hang out in the cove and just relax. Nice little cup holder here. Got a nice little walk through right here, all sea decking. Easy step down through. This boat comes equipped with the Z4 tower, as you can see, with the nice clamping racks that swivel in so you can get your boards out very easily. Pop it back out nicely and out of your way. It has the advanced audio, which is going to give you the crisp tower speakers. Also, advanced audio is going to give you the dual screens with subwoofers and front wave speakers on the front. This boat is equipped with, like I said before, the dual screens to control all your functions for your surfing, skiing, wakeboarding, and just driving around the boat. You got the nice bolstered captain's chair. Very comfortable to see, easy to see over the windshield. And speaking of the windshield, it has the BTS windshield, which is a very nice feature for you so you can see your person in the water, and also a nice airflow comes around here to keep you nice and cool. Moving on through to the front of the boat, it's equipped with the air down door, so you can close this off, shut the front windshield, and keep all that cool air out if you go for a nice evening cruise and it's cool out. The front is the huge pickle fork bow. 4 people can sit up here very easily. It's got the nice fold down armrests, tons of room and space. Both seats flip up for maximum storage, and also comes with an anchor storage up front. Lots of storage in this boat. Rear flipped up seats back here, so you can sit and watch everybody in the back. Easily folds back down. The other side also. And a really cool feature on this boat, it has a flip couch. You reverse this seat, sit and watch everybody, and then you flip it one more time, it goes down, and everybody can just kind of sprawl out and just enjoy themselves and hang out. This boat is a wonderful boat at 6,100 pounds and 4,300 pounds of ballast. It's the biggest surf wave on the lake. Come and check out this awesome Mastercraft X24 at MarineMax in Greenville, or check us out online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005 and come and check out this wonderful 2020 Mastercraft X24.